Your logo is your brand symbol and in many ways the face of your business. After all, it's often the first thing potential customers notice about your brand. With logos being the most recognizable brand identifier, it's the perfect way to communicate and set the personality of your tone and brand. The right logo will show everything your customer needs to see before they consciously or subconsciously decide to give your business more attention, inviting them to get to know your brand better. Now, if you're thinking of making your own business logo and unsure of what logo design options are out there, this video is for you because we're going to talk about the types of logo designs to help you decide which suits you and your brand best. Welcome back to the channel. This is Jelly with Life Marketing, a digital marketing agency on a mission to help small businesses grow. Now, before we proceed, this is your reminder to subscribe to our channel to get notified as we upload more of our business growing videos. Now let's get started. First on our list of logo design types, the logotype. Yep, that's what it's called. A logotype is simply your business name spelled out. Popular samples of logotypes are logos of Sony, Tiffany, and Google. This is arguably the simplest logotype out there, but with simplicity being a solid foundation of good design, it's also one of the most powerful. Because logotypes are typography-based designs, it's important to carefully select which font you use because that, and your choice of colors, will set the tone and personality of your logo. Second on our list is Lettermark. Like the logotype, the lettermark is also a typography-based design, the difference being that lettermarks contain the initials of every word on your brand name. This is perfect for businesses with longer names that can't spell out their full names in the style of logotypes. Popular brands using this logo style are HBO, Cartoon Network, and HP. Next, we have pictorial marks, otherwise called brand marks. Pictorial marks feature a single symbol or an icon. Forgoing typography completely, it relies heavily on the visual impact and initial impression of its single symbol. Popular samples of this logo style are Apple, Nike, and Dropbox. This type of logo design works best when you use a symbol that is associated with your brand name. For example, Shell's logo is a shell, and Twitter's logo is a bird. Otherwise, you can also emulate how brands like Snapchat design their pictorial mark logos with the nature of their business in mind instead of their literal brand name.
Hello! We just helped a small business make over $1.5 million through Facebook advertising. After managing millions of dollars of ad spend for thousands of small businesses and creating thousands of social posts to help businesses connect with their customers, we know how to get results. And we want to help small businesses get results too. So we've decided to give away our knowledge, learning experiences, resources, tools, and feedback to help you achieve results for your digital marketing efforts. If you want to learn the blueprint for success, the best practices from some of the fastest growing companies in the world, get access to all the tools you'll need, and get live expert guidance from yours truly, stop what you're doing and sign up for our coaching program today.
Next on our list, we have Mascot Logo. A mascot logo features a character in the design. This can be a person, an animal, or even an anthropomorphized object. Popular samples of this logo style are KFC with Colonel Sanders, Cheetos with Chester Cheetah, and Michelin with the Michelin Man. This particular logo style establishes a fun and friendly impression and works best with brands that target families or children, which is why a lot of fast food chains use them. And fifth on our list, we have emblem or badge logos. Emblems combine text and symbols to form a logo with the traditional feel. Emblems or badges tend to give you the impression of trustworthiness and power, and done right, they will look timeless. Popular brands that feature this type of logo are Ford, Warner Brothers, and Harley-Davidson. You'll have the option to integrate more symbols and text in the emblem logo to better tell your brand story. But it's important that you keep in mind how your design will look when viewed from a distance or from a smaller screen, as this type of logo is harder to read when overcrowded with elements. So remember that simplicity is still important even for this logo style. Number 6 on our list, abstract logos. If pictorial logos have symbols you can clearly associate their brand with, abstract logos go the other way and instead use forms and figures you wouldn't necessarily think of when you hear their brand name, going for the overall impact of the figure they're using rather than direct association. MasterCard's logo are red and orange circles. Nike has a check mark as their logo, and NBC's symbol is a peacock with colorful feathers. Abstract logos are best with simple symbols to retain memorability and recognizability. Last and 7th on today's list, we have combination. A combination type logo is exactly what it sounds like. It's a combination of any of the logo types we've previously mentioned. For example, Starbucks logo has a mascot but also forms an emblem. Dove has both typographic text and symbol of a dove on their logo. and PayPal has their brand name spelled out below their brand's initials. The power of combination logos is in the fact that you get to utilize the respective pros of each logo style you choose to combine. If you are aiming for a more minimalistic style though, you'll want to avoid this type of design. And that is 7 design options you can use for your business logo. What type of logo are you planning to use for your business? Let us know down in the comments below. That's it for today's video. Please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to grow your business. Once again, this is Jelly from Life Marketing, and I'll see you in the next one.